Today's webinar is on how to set up your membership portal for registrations in the One Sport technology system. To do this, we go to the Member Desk menu option and Portal Settings down the bottom on the left-hand menu. In the Options section is where we'll be doing the main content loading, if you will, for your design of your portal. So if we click Edit, we give our member portal a title. So in this case we're in the IMG STG organisation and we might call this IMG STG member portal. We want to also ensure that we have turned our accept registrations to yes. If it's no, this means that the portal won't be operational to take online registrations, whether that's payment or just submissions. So let's ensure that that's switched to yes. The next tab across is the welcome message. In this section here, we're basically providing a bit of an overview about what the member portal will be for your members. So this is the first screen that your members will see when they go to your individual portal. So you've got the ability to add in images and add in text, and it's just like your own word editor in here as well. We then have the Images tab, so you've got the ability to add in a header and a background image. So let's add in a header. And a background. You've then got the ability to choose a theme. So there are some different themes that we've got set up into the system that you can select that most suits your club colours. So we're just going with the simple grey. And here we've got also listed the image dimensions that are best suited for the OST console. So for your header, a pixel width of 980 by 390 is the best recommended settings, and then for your background, 2150 pixels by 1450 pixels. We then have membership numbers. So these different options, so we've got syndicate. Membership numbers will be passed down to all the child organisations. So the top level, in most cases the national level, will be maintaining this information. The distribution, so again the numbers are passed down to child organisations, but your child organisations have the ability to edit this information to your system. If you are the top level, to inherit, so if you're an association or club, you can inherit the numbers from above. So if you are in a tiered organisation and the national has syndicated this information down, you'll be inheriting this information from them. And none, obviously, there's no membership numbers being allocated from your system. Allocation, so whether it's automatic or manually, so if it's automatic, the system will automatically obviously generate the membership number to the member upon registration, and manual means that the administrator would allocate their membership numbers. The membership number scope determines how the membership numbers are allocated. So if it's organisation-wide, it's allocated to every member of that organisation. If it's member type specific, it's based on the member type attached to that member as to whether they get that membership number. And if it's both, it's allocated for every member of the organisation in addition to the member type that's specific to them. So we then have the next number that would be allocated upon the registration. And you've also got the ability to put a prefix and a suffix. So if you have alpha characters that you want to add into your membership numbers at the start or the end, you've now got the ability to do so. If we go back up to the top, we've then got your subscription confirmation. So once a person has registered through the system, whether that's just a submission or paying as well, you've got the ability to type in content. That will appear at the end of their registration process. So it might be, thank you for club name. So in this case, the IMG STG Club, and you could even put in a picture or something like that as well. So we're going to save this information. So now you'll see that you've also got the portal link. So this is the URL to your particular membership portal that you can link through from emails or from your website, Facebook, to add in your registrations. We've also got another section down here called additional pages, where you can basically add extra pages to your membership portal. So in this case we've got an About Us, IMG World, who is obviously one of our partner organisations, and then our website. To add in a page, you just click on the Actions and Add. Give the page a title, whether it's an external link or not, so whether you're linking to your website or it might be your national body's website. If it is an external link, you click yes and just pop in the URL. To show on member desk, so whether this is going to appear on the portal, yes or no, and where that's going to be ordered, so in the number of pages on the member desk portal. If it's not an external link and you're creating a page, you can flick the external link to no, and then the page content tab will appear, which you can then load any content about that particular page. So whether it's about your club, whether it's a bit about the membership fee structure for your club, those sorts of things that you can add in additionally. If we then go back to the additional pages, you've then got the ability to say whether the page is displaying. So the tick or cross is that it's not displaying, and then you've got the ability with your actions button to edit, delete and update that status. So if we go back to the portal options and we have a look at the front end of the portal, so if we click on the link, if I zoom out so you can see the imagery that we've added in. So we've got our welcome message here when the person comes in to log in. We've got our registration tab. So we've got an IMG STG website page, an About Us page that we can, so that links straight through to the website. About Us has a little bit of content about the company. We can then go through and register. Just choose a subscription. Put in our password if we're an existing member. So it comes in, populates my details. Click next. Just making sure we've got all that detail in there. So let's pay now. You've either got the option to pay now or submit only. And then we've got our confirmation message just there. So that's how we set up a member portal. There's more information available on the help desk under the OST category so that you can follow those help guides as well. They might be of assistance as well in conjunction with today's video. Thank you.